Hello everyone, everything I'm about to show you has been verified by the experts here at the shop, so take a deep breath. This has a solution. If your Nissan suddenly shows the message Key ID Incorrect, don't panic. Your car isn't broken or going crazy. What's happening is that the security system cannot recognize the key you're using. The first cause you'll usually see is a weak key fob battery. It's that small CR203 2-type battery that many of us forget to change. When it runs low, the key sends a weak signal, and the car can't read its ID properly. Replacing it with a good quality battery usually fixes the problem instantly. But attention, it's not enough to just use any cheap battery. Several mechanics have mentioned that at first it didn't work until they used a trusted brand battery or made sure it was installed correctly. Yes, sometimes even a slightly flipped battery can make the system say, "Nope, I don't recognize you." If the battery is fine and the message still appears, the key itself might be unprogrammed or damaged. This often happens with new keys, duplicates, or older keys that have gotten wet or been hit. In these cases, there's no home fix. The key needs to be reprogrammed using a Nissan scanner or by going to the dealership or a specialized locksmith. The shop mechanics also mention that sometimes the problem isn't with the key at all. Electrical interference, a low vehicle battery, or a faulty antenna that reads the key can trigger the same message. That's why, if everything else fails, checking the car battery and connections is a good first step before panicking. And if nothing works, some mechanics have even managed to reset the system by disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes and then reconnecting it with the key inside. This allows the module to relearn the key, and in many cases, the error disappears.